Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Minecraft crashing with exit code 1 is a common headache for many players, especially when using TLauncher. This specific error means the game failed to start or encountered a critical issue during launch, stopping your fun right in its tracks. But don't fret too much. There are some very effective steps you can take to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve this problem quickly, getting you back to building and exploring your worlds. One of the most common culprits behind exit code 1, especially with TLauncher, is outdated software. First, make sure you have the latest compatible version of Java installed on your system. Minecraft relies heavily on it. Second, take a moment to update your graphics drivers. Old or corrupted drivers can cause all sorts of instability, so keeping them current is a crucial step to ensure your game runs smoothly. Sometimes, the problem lies within the game files themselves or with conflicting modifications. Corrupted files can prevent Minecraft from launching, so try using TLauncher's file verification option if available, or consider deleting and reinstalling your Minecraft version for a fresh start. If you're running mods, it's a good idea to temporarily disable them all. Then, re-enable them one by one to pinpoint any specific mod causing the dreaded crash. Minecraft can be quite demanding on your computer's resources, especially with mods or larger worlds. Within your TLauncher settings, try allocating more RAM to Minecraft. This gives the game more memory to work with, which can often prevent crashes. Also, double-check that the correct Java executable path is selected in TLauncher settings. Sometimes, this simple fix makes all the difference for a stable gaming experience. Rarely, but it does happen, your antivirus or firewall software might be interfering with Minecraft or TLauncher, incorrectly flagging them as a threat. You could try temporarily disabling your antivirus to see if that resolves the exit code 1 error. If you've tried all these steps and still can't launch your game, a full, clean reinstallation of both TLauncher and Minecraft is often the ultimate solution to get you back into the game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.